Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I am going to tell the details about IBPS SO notification. As all you know, IBPS SO notification is out, and total vacancies are 896. In this video, I am particularly telling about the details for IBPS AFO examination and how many vacancies, what is the dates to apply for IBPS AFO examination, and how to prepare for IBPS AFO examination. Okay. For IBPS AFO examination, the total vacancies are 346. Okay. The vacancies are less when compared to the previous years. Okay. So we have to be very confident about some topics regarding IBPS AFO examination. Okay. Application dates are from August 1st to 21st. Okay. We can apply for IBPS AFO examination till 21st August. Okay. The IBPS AFO preliminary examination will going to be conducted in November 2024. Okay. Then the mains will be in December 2024. Okay. The interview may be in February or March 2025. Okay. Actually, the preliminary examination for IBPS AFO examination in previous years may be December last, but this year it may be earlier. Okay. The notification is also earlier, and the preliminary and mains examination will also be conducted earlier when compared to the previous years. Okay. So apply online till 21st August. Okay. Please apply as early as possible and prepare very well, because we have less number of vacancies when compared to the previous years. Actually, for IBPS AFO examination, the number of vacancies are less, but this year the number of vacancies are very less when compared to the previous years. So please be very confident in the topics what you are studying. Okay. In this video, I am going to explain how to prepare for IBPS examination, what are all the important topics to prepare for IBPS examination. So we have less time, that is, August means just 3 months. We have the time span of 3 months. In 3 months, what are all the important topics we have to study must, I am going to explain in this particular video. Okay. Please don't skip the video. Please watch full video. Okay. It will be very useful for you. I am going to explain about the syllabus of IBPS AFO and the important content we have to be very thorough about IBPS AFO. Okay. Today I am going to discuss about this particular topic. Okay. The total participating banks are 11. Okay. As already you know, the exam will be conducted only in online process. Okay. In 3 intervals. Okay. Like prelims, mains and interview for IBPS AFO. For IBPS AFO, the educational qualification is 4 years graduation in animal husbandry, agriculture, horticulture, veterinary science, dairy science, agri-engineering, fishiculture, agri-marketing and cooperation and banking. We must have 4 years graduation in any of these for agriculture field officer. Okay. The age limit, we have the age of a minimum 20 years or maximum 30 years. This is the age limit for agriculture field officer. Okay. Now I am going to explain about the syllabus who are going to prepare for IBPS AFO examination. Okay. Please clear about some particular topics for agriculture field officer. Okay. Now I am going to tell what is the pattern is going to be in agriculture field officer examination, and what are all the important topics we have to be very thorough about to crack IBPS AFO examination. Okay. In agriculture field officer prelims, we have 3 intervals: prelims, mains and interview, right? For preliminary examination, we have 3 particular subjects to prepare. Okay. First one is English. Okay. For English, 50 questions will be given, and marks for 50 questions, the marks are 25 marks. That is, for each question, the mark will be half mark. If you answer one question correctly, we will get half mark. Okay. And the time is 40 minutes. Provided in only English language. English subject is in English language. Okay. Now then reasoning. First one is English. Second one is reasoning. The questions are 50 and the marks are 50 and the time is 40 minutes and provided in both English as well as Hindi language. The third one is quantitative aptitude. Now, for quantitative aptitude, 50 questions will be given and the marks are 50 marks and the time is 40 minutes. This will provide in the languages Hindi and English. These are all the 3 subjects we will get in preliminary examination. Okay. For each bit, we will get less than a minute. One wrong answer, 1/4 mark deducted. If you do one wrong answer, 1/4 mark will be deducted. Okay. This is the pattern for preliminary examination. Now I am going to explain the pattern for mains examination. Okay. For mains examination, the questions are based on only the professional knowledge. That is, for agriculture field office, the questions will be based on agriculture subject. Okay. Got it? The questions are 60 questions and the marks are 60 marks and the language they provided in both English and Hindi. The time is 45 minutes for mains examination. For 60 marks, the time will be 45 minutes. Okay. This is totally based on professional knowledge. For AFO, it is agriculture. Okay. This is the pattern for mains examination. Okay. Then the interview will be conducted for 20 marks. Okay. First, we have to qualify in preliminary examination and then we have to qualify in mains examination and then we will select for interview. Okay. Now, I am going to discuss about the very most important topics to prepare for IBPS AFO examination. First, we go for English. For English, we have to be very thorough about some particular topics. First one is reading comprehension. 10 to 15 questions will come from reading comprehension. For English, we have only half mark for each question. So, we will cover 5 to 7.5 mark by preparing reading comprehension. Okay. If we are very thorough about reading comprehension, we will get 5 marks at least. Okay. Error detection is very important topic. Fillers. Fillers, sentence rearrangement, close test. If we are very thorough about these particular topics in English, we'll definitely crack English examination. Okay, please be very thorough about these particular topics. For each and every subject, we have the sectional cutoff. We have to reach the cutoff for each and every subject. So, please don't neglect a single subject also. Please be very thorough about each and every subject. For English, these particular topics are more than enough to crack the English. Now, quantitative aptitude. In quantitative aptitude, data interpretation. Very important topic. 10 to 15 questions will come from data interpretation. At least 10 questions will come from data interpretation. Okay. Quadratic equations. 3 to 5 questions will come from quadratic equation. Okay. Number series. From number series also 3 to 5 questions will come from number series. Okay. Approximations or simplifications. 3 to 5 questions will come from simplifications. Okay. Averages and percentages. We have to prepare averages and percentages because this is the basic for quantitative aptitude. If we are very thorough about averages and percentages, we will solve data interpretation, approximations, simplifications. Okay, so this is the basic knowledge for quantitative aptitude. So we have to be very thorough about averages and percentages if the question may or may not be. Okay, we have to be very thorough about these particular topics. And now reasoning, puzzles and seating arrangement. 10 to 15 questions will come from this particular topic. Okay. Blood relations, 1 to 3 marks. 1 to 3 questions will come from blood relations. Coded inequalities, 3 to 5 questions. Directions, 1 to 3. Then syllogisms, very important, 3 to 5 marks. And coding decoding, 1 mark. So we have to be very thorough about these particular topics in reasoning. Puzzles are very most important, and syllogisms, directions, coded inequalities, blood relations. If we are very thorough about these particular topics, we will definitely qualify in reasoning for IBPS AFO examination. Okay. So please be very thorough about these particular topics in reasoning. Okay. This is the important content for preliminary examination. Now we will see the main syllabus. Okay. For mains, we have to prepare agronomy, horticulture, agri current affairs, general agriculture, animal husbandry, dairy science, soil science, biotechnology, seed technology, extension, fisheries, sericulture, lake culture, apiculture, agri-engineering and agri-economics. In this subject, they will ask questions in any of the topic. Okay, there are no important topics for main syllabus, so we have to prepare all of these particular topics. Okay, this is the very most important content related to prelims and mains for agriculture field officer. So please prepare well and do well. Okay, thank you. One more information that I have done some classes in my YouTube channel. Please go and check those classes. I hope it will be helpful for you. Okay, please, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.